No, it is not. Yes, Sam.
Puedo ir a
Llenar
llenar
mi botella
de botella
de agua.
de agua. I knew that.
Sí. Eva? Sí. Okay, you don't need anything to write with right now because we're on the computers. And I will take all of your pens away. You need to go into our assignment for today, which is launching lesson 1. If you're ever absent, keep in mind that it has the video and the recording on here, so you can always just do that absent work. Okay? Go ahead and open up the Google form. Please listen to my directions carefully so I don't have to yell at anyone or my head will explode. Put in your class period, your first and last name, and then freeze. Just going to move these right there. Can you have more space? I think you can put your planner away if you're done with it. Just under or next to your backpack. Why do you look lost, Ivy? Oh, literally froze. You can blink though, and breathe. Oh, you moved your back though. Okay, our goals today. By the end of class today, you'll be able to answer questions in Spanish about some of my teacher goals for us as a class, and also some goals that you guys might want as a class. Reading workshop. This is what you're going to do on your own. I'm going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, but I want to explain it first. And this is the part you need to listen to, or you're going to drive me crazy. So please listen. Pretty please. What do you notice about this? Tyler?
2 things. Like, one, they're kind of like the English.
Yes.
And didn't we do this?
Yes, thank you. It's the exact same thing that we did last week when we were practicing, but it's for real this time.
Oh.
So, hopefully you paid attention and you know what you're doing. Okay, so the first question is going to tell you to type in, don't do it now, listen to directions first. Yeah, Sophia, I'm watching you. How you type in the words that you recognize in English. You need 3 words. How many words do you need?
3.
3. I know more, you guys can do more, but I don't want to spend time on that today, okay? Then the next 3 questions are multiple choice. Remember that the question is right underneath here, and you're looking at the colors of highlighted words. Once you get done with all 3 of those multiple choice, so there's 4 questions in all, and your screen looks like mine, once you see this on your screen, I want you to close your Chromebook. It's going to take a nap for the rest of class until the end. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, go. Did you read the questions carefully, Max? You're going to get them right? Here you go, 1 more minute. Those of you who are done, you can get your notebooks open to the first page. And organize your space so that you don't accidentally knock your Chromebook on the floor. That would be good. on your first page of your notebook. You can write in pen if you want, pretty colors if you care. Otherwise, write in something that you can read. Please don't write in highlighter. Highlighters are for going over words, not for writing words. You're going to title your page, Launching Lesson 1. We are launching into the year, and it is official Lesson 1. And then you need to put the date. Hoy. Oh. That's someone's job yet? No. Need to hire for the oi oi person. Anyone interested in being the oi oi person? Alright, we got 3 people interested in being the oi oi person. Isaac, Tyler, and Wazzy. Please point to the one that you think will remember to say oi oi. You gotta pick. Yeah, you gotta pick. Una aplauso para Tyler. What makes me fire you?
So I say oi oi when you say
Oi.
oi.
Hoy
Oi oi.
es el 10 de septiembre 2020. So remember the date is a little bit backwards in Spanish compared to English. Here's what you're going to do. I'm going to talk to you all, tell you a little bit about my teacher self and my goals for our class this year. You guys are going to take at least 3 pieces of notes during the presentation. Can you take more? Sure. Gracias, Mary. Graham, might need you. No, like your strength.
Oh. Was it because you did this?
I know, sorry.
I thought you
confused
were.
But that's your job to pay attention to. Not me to tell you when to choo choo. Fair enough. 3 pieces of notes. You can write more if you want. You are writing in English or in Spanish or in Spanglish. It doesn't matter to me. If you find that writing distracts you from listening, then you should probably just write 3 and be done and then listen, okay? Also, lots of opportunities for Clipper Cash for participating. So raise your hand when you don't answer something, because this is going to be real. I didn't ask anything yet.
I was just demonstrating.
Thank you.
No problem.
Because this is going to be really easy for you guys. I will take that pen away. Are you breaking it?
No.
That was bad. Okay, here we go. ¿Están listos? Are you ready? ¿Sí o no?
Sí.
Ava? Max? Sí? Okay. Sobre means about. Sobre tu maestra de español. So what is our presentation titled? Wazzy?
About your Spanish teacher.
About your Spanish teacher. Yo. Mi nombre es Señorita Leppert. Y soy maestra de español. Sí, soy maestra de español. Sí, es correcto. Soy maestra de español. Es obvio. Pero clase, miren la foto. Hay un problema con el libro en la foto. ¿Cuál es el problema con el libro en la foto, Graham?
It says Spanish, but it's not in Spanish.
Sí! Qué ridículo. I owe you one. I'm not walking that far every time. You can keep track. Sí! Soy maestra de español! So what have you learned about me so far? Tyler?
That you are a Spanish teacher.
I didn't know that.
Información nueva? Sofía?
Tu nombre es
Señora, yo no tengo esposo.
Oh,
Sofía. Okay, Sofía. Imaginen. ¿Quién es mi esposo?
who?
mi esposo. ¿Es un hombre alto? Sí. ¿Es un hombre fuerte?
Nah.
Sí.
What is he? Por qué no?
I don't know. That's just not what I imagined.
Es un hombre fuerte.
I have a picture in my head though. It's
Tiene pelo blanco, como Tyler.
No.
Blanco. Rubio, lo siento, his hair kind of white.
No, I know.
Tiene pelo.
It's
Café?
Sí.
Okay, okay. This is all what you're imagining at the same time?
I
Okay.
feel like we have the same picture.
Mi esposo, le gustan gatos?
Sí.
Sí.
Y
Because you
you
wanna marry
marry
someone
someone.
who doesn't.
Hates them.
Sí.
Graham, G-Money.
Or at
Sí,
least,
le gustan gatos.
or at least deals with them.
Okay. Sí. Mi esposo habla español.
Sí.
Not even
Oh.
close.
No, you
Yes,
wanna
I
teach
think
him. You
so.
wanna teach him.
No quiero enseñar a mi esposo.
No.
Yes,
And no.
No habla español?
No.
Not
Sí
even
habla
close.
español.
No.
Habla inglés?
Sí.
Sí.
Inglés.
Inglés y español.
Graham,
What does he speak?
habla francés?
No.
Okay.
No.
No.
Don't listen to me.
Eva,
Never trust Graham.
inglés, español. Inglés y español. Okay. ¿Y cuántos años tiene mi esposo? Yo tengo 29. Y mi cumpleaños, this is not information in the presentation, Tyler, don't write this down. Y mi cumpleaños es el 25 de septiembre.
Okay. All right.
Entonces, yo tendré 30 años. ¿Cuántos años tiene mi esposo imaginario? Mary, 31
Yes.
años?
Yes.
Okay.
We all had the same idea.
Y imaginen mi esposo en un carro. ¿Qué tipo de carro? Graham, no tiene un carro. Oh, tiene motocicleta.
No, he's not a
Tiene-
motorcycle.
Tiene bicicleta.
He's not a motorcycle.
fine.
Okay,
He's
okay.
got one of those like he's got one of those mopeds.
Okay, that's fine with me. I have a car.
No, he has
He
a
has
speaker.
a-
Rides his cat.
No. Okay, mi esposo monta en gato, pero el gato es muy grande, ¿sí?
Yeah.
Es Monty. Oh, pobre
No.
Monty.
No, his
Un
own
león?
cat. His own cat.
Oh, su gato.
Yeah. His
Okay.
cat. His giant orange.
A tiger. It's a tiger.
Es un tigre?
Giant tiger.
No, it's a cat. It's a regular.
Es un
domestic
gato
cat,
normal,
but it's
grandísimo
large. And
Sí.
orange. And huge.
y anaranjado
Yeah.
y
Garfield.
gordo.
Yes.
No, he seems more like a skateboard kind of thing. Yeah.
Graham, you've been
No,
overruled.
No,
Graham.
his cat rides on a skateboard.
Oh.
He rides the cat while the cat rides the
Cinco, cuatro, tres. I need to hire a personal secretary. Alright, we have 3 hands. Point to one that you think will be good and not drive me crazy.
I will drive you crazy, but that's okay.
3.22, bro. 3.22, Isaac. We're pointing at 2 people. Addie or Izzy? Oh man, it's close. It's a tie between Addie and Izzy.
No.
I'll break it.
Maddie? Think of a number. Between. Think of a number between 1 and 20.
Oh, you want me to think?
And write it on your page. So I don't even see.
7.
What is trying to cheat.
I'm gonna do
No such thing. Ever.
Okay. Who's gonna guess first?
I think I know what it is.
Me.
Okay.
Sure, he put 7.
find a page and just keep our points for the year. Ready, Max? We're starting again. Come back to us, thank you. Me gusta leer un libro. What do I like doing?
Reading a book.
Sí. Y me gusta leer en español. So I like reading in.
Spanish.
Spanish.
Y me gusta mirar películas. I like to.
Watch movies.
Sí, gracias, Wazzy. I like that strong and confident response. Thank you. Y me gusta, Max, are you taking your 3 notes?
Done.
Me gusta mirar películas en español. Voluntario? Inglés?
In Spanish.
Wow.
Isaac? Sí. I was watching movies in Spanish. I was asking for volunteer time.
Oh, well, Izzy did, and you were proud of her.
I know, but I asked for a volunteer this time with the hand up.
Oh, sure, throw me under the bus for doing nothing.
Choo-choo.
Thank you. Y me gusta escuchar música. Es mi actividad favorita.
Oh.
Tyler?
Listening to music is your favorite activity.
C. I like that confident response and the hand raising.
That, yes.
Y me gusta música en español. Oh, this is important. Hola. Okay. Hola. Yes. Woohoo! Oh, okay. Sweet, thank you. Okay, bye. This is gonna test your job skills. So, I got a call earlier today that the bank that's loaning me money for the house was waiting on one more thing to be finalized before.
Oh yeah, drinking water.
Before, like, we could actually officially buy the house. And they were like, we don't know if it's gonna come through today. So they were like, we might have to set up time for tomorrow. So they set up the time for tomorrow at 3 p.m., which really stinks because my car is full of stuff to move into the house this afternoon. And she just called and said they're gonna fund the loan and we get to close today! Gracias. Buen trabajo, Graham. Un aplauso para Graham for not choo-chooing my important story. Keep moving on. Me gusta estudiar, pero no me gusta estudiar la historia. Es un secreto.
Oh, you have to know history.
Y no me gusta estudiar ciencias. Un secreto. Me gusta un poco estudiar matemáticas. Un poco. Inglés, un poco. Español, sí, mucho. Y me gusta estudiar cómo enseñar el español. What do you think that means? It's the hardest one on here. Graham, are you dancing or are you gonna raise your hand?
Yes.
So where is the hand raised? I'm waiting for it.
Oh,
Because you said yes, you were dancing, and yes, you were gonna raise your hand.
no, I said yes.
Right, I said, are you dancing or are you gonna raise your hand? And then you,
Not me.
I said, are you dancing or are you gonna raise your hand? You said yes, so I'm dancing and raising your hand.
That's fair. Yeah. Just go to Sophia.
Okay, Sophia?
You want to study how to teach Spanish.
Sí. Me gusta estudiar cómo enseñar el español. What?
Aren't you a
Yes?
thought you meant just like in general, like just you don't know how to teach Spanish. I was like, well, I'm doing it now.
Me gusta ayudar a los estudiantes.
Wait.
Voluntario. En inglés, ayudar a los estudiantes. Maddie?
To hug the students?
Sí. Help or hug?
Hug.
Oh.
No.
No. Aw. Didn't help.
Sofia, ¿estás bien? I'll give it to you anyway, because I misheard you.
Okay. Thank you.
I was gonna say.
Ayudar. It's a life preserver. She's helping.
Oh, I thought that was
Oh.
my god.
Moving on.
I thought it was
Me gusta ver la clase tener éxito. Hablan español, escriben español. A plus. Tener éxito en inglés. Tyler?
Excited?
No. Emocionado. That's exciting. Graham.
Exit. Leave.
Para ti, sí.
Oh.
Adios. Nope. Siéntate.
Oh my.
Maddie?
Excel.
Sí. To excel, to succeed. At least you didn't say to exceed. No me gusta. No.
Oh.
No me gusta limpiar para la clase. Tyler?
Clean.
Mm-hmm. No me gusta. What do I spend half my time doing every day in class now? Cleaning. No me gusta entrar notas en la computadora. No me gusta.
Oh.
Mazzy?
You don't like writing your notes in the computer. Oh. What?
Oh my.
You see my apples?
Oh. Yeah. What?
Oh. Yeah.
I
Huh?
I see it.
Addie?
You don't like my grades in the computer. Oh.
See. Even if they're good grades. See. Como la nota de Tyler. ¿Por qué soy maestra? Why I'm a teacher? Mis sueños, my hopes, my goals, my dreams. Tengo sueños para mis clases. So I have dreams for who?
The class.
Classes. Your class.
Classes.
Your students.
Your archery.
Huh?
Yo quiero, one of my goals, yo quiero ver la clase tener éxito. So I want to see the class succeed, excel. Y yo quiero entrar buenas notas en la computadora. I want to enter what kind of grades?
Good.
Good.
Sí, A plus. Y yo quiero que la clase continúe con español en el futuro. So I want you to
Continue Spanish.
sí.
Ah.
Y yo quiero que a la clase le guste español. So I want you to
Like
Like
sí. Gracias. All right, take a moment and find someone nearby to yell talk to about. If you need to make groups of 3, that's fine. About what you learned. My guess is you're gonna need to turn around since I'm the only person facing you. Okay, go. Yell talk to each other because you have the masks on. Talk about what you wrote down, what you learned.
Oh, I wrote down.
Music.
She's a Spanish teacher.
She
She likes to read in Spanish.
does not.
She likes to watch movies.
Class. No. What about you? She. Her name is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 2 segundos. I need a timer. time you already have a job.
What? We can't do it if we
You
don't
have
have
to do two jobs. Point to the person you think would be a good timer.
This is so sad.
Okay, Una pasa para Wendy. Alright, Wendy, you need to stop me at
Oh no, this job. Oops.
1:28.
Got it.
Also, it might be up there for you.
Okay.
Might make your job easier. Alright, on the page where you have your notes, you should have probably some extra space. And if you don't, you can use the back side. It's up to you. We're going to write 3 quick sentences to summarize the information from today. When I am writing, you are not. Okay? So I'll write a sentence, then I'll pause, then you write. I'm not going to have you copy it every day since it's the first lesson. We need to get the Spanish in our brains a little more. So, hoy.
Oi. That's a brain to the line.
Es el 10 de septiembre 2020 y es la clase de 8 de blanco. ¿Sí? Ok. Un título. ¿Ideas? Voluntario? Tyler?
I just sneezed. Mrs. Leopard.
Oh no.
Señorita Leopard.
Posible. Maddie?
Un maestra fantástica.
You got me.
Me gusta su título. Gracias, Maddie. Una maestra. You're not writing.
Yeah.
Fantástica. Now you can write. You're not writing at the same time as me, which is what I said right before we started.
It's really hard to get your out of this mess.
That's good. That means it's working.
Yeah, but it's really hot.
We'll breathe slower. Okay, first sentence. Here we go. La señorita, you're not writing. Leopard. Es doctora,
No.
dentista.
Maestra de español.
Gracias, Maddie. 5 puntos para la clase, porque Maddie habló en español.
That's nice.
Es maestra de español. Your turn. You don't have to skip lines if you don't want to. I just do that so I have room to mark it up when we're done. Le gusta. Sophia?
Leer.
Leer. Sophia?
Ver películas.
Leer películas?
Ver.
Oh, you're giving me more. I was hoping for an ending to this.
Leer
First.
en español.
Leer en español. Your turn. Uno más. Quiere, that means she wants. Quiere que la clase.
That was on accident.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Tyler?
I got it. I fixed it.
Éxito.
Éxito, sí. Quiere que la clase tenga éxito. Your turn. my pen. Ready?
Title.
Oh, try that again. In English. Here we go.
Title. The.
Starting with the title.
Title.
A. Teacher.
Fantastic.
The. Miss. Lever. Is. Teacher. Of. Spanish. The.
Gets you every time.
To her. Oh.
She likes.
To her likes.
To her it pleases.
Oh.
Starting with the leg. Here we go.
To her. It.
The pen has the power. Try that again.
To her. It pleases. Read.
Okay, so when the verb has the ER at the end, that means to do something. So to read. All right, try it again.
To her. It pleases. To read in Spanish. She wants.
She wants.
To know what?
K without an accent mark means that. If it has an accent mark, it's a question word. It means what? All right, let's try that again.
She wants that the class to
Ooh. Kind of like it has, but we don't need to say the it part. All right, start with the class.
the class has Excel studio.
Success.
Start with the class again. We have to end this on a good note. Here we go.
The
class has success.
Okay, open your Chromebooks up. Gotta finish filling out that Google form. We got done earlier than I needed to be told.
That's good for us, that means we have more time.
I know, maybe you'll actually do something with it. Alright. First part you need to enter in is something you noticed about the way Spanish is put together. There were quite a few things in here that we had to go over and talk about, so I would think maybe about one of those things that you noticed today or that I had defined for you. You can compare Spanish to English if you want to, or you can just say, I noticed that this is this way. Take a moment to type that in. You're not like telling me what it means, you're not typing in a Spanish sentence, you're telling me what you noticed about the way Spanish is written, how it's put together, the word order, maybe something about the verbs. And then, we have two questions to finish up here.
It's 128.
Thank you.
Yep.
The first one is asking you, and I'm not going to say what these mean again, so you might want to listen. First one is asking you, ¿cuáles son los sueños, the goals? ¿Cuáles son los sueños de la maestra? Pick all of the ones that apply. Hint, there are 3 of them that you should check.
How did that happen again? I don't
G-Money.
understand.
That's not what.
Get that reloj under control.
I'm sorry.
And then the second question is, ¿cuáles son tus sueños para la clase de español? So what are your goals for Spanish class? Select all of them that make sense. And then if there's anything you want to share with me, go ahead and type that in. If not, you can skip it and hit submit.
Would that be 1 or 2 checks?
Huh?
You're the gist of what we think for the next.
Well, pick the logical ones that would make sense to be goals of a Spanish class.
Well, we don't enter the grades.
Right, but this one is talking about, actually says down here, that the class gives good grades. So you might have to read it and not just look at the picture.
So
That might help you. Okay? And then as soon as you're done, done, hit submit, and you can start packing yourself up. We've got a couple minutes, so no need to rush. Take your time to complete it.